foot firm, but the mind still gain. Babylon nice, try clothe me head. Still me hear truth in the bread. Make no fool you. Life rough and real. Every scar a sermon, every wound a seal. Lord man say, son, watch how you tread. Plant good seed, can't harvest straight. So me lift up my chin, and me breathe through the pain. When the world gets spent, me hold on the name. Knowledge red, straight through fire and rain. Knowledge red, teach the heart, heal the brain. Knowledge red, no sell out for chain. Knowledge red, walk good, live clean, stay plain. Me see plenty mouth, but few got sight. Talk big truth in a broad daylight, but wisdom no shout. She move low like river pan stone, steady flow. If you're hungry fi rise, first learn fi kneel. Clean you inside, let your purpose feel. No beg the shadow, feel it, no shine. Your own light work when your mind align. So me lift up me chin, and me breathe through the pain. When the world gets spin, me hold on the name. Knowledge red, straight through fire and rain. Knowledge red, teach the heart, heal the brain. Knowledge red, no sell out for chain. Knowledge red, walk good, live clean, stay plain. Them want see you bend, but your spine must stay strong. Every loss can send you back to where you belong. Me not chase vanity, me not bow to fear. Truth build family, and keep the path clear. Knowledge red, straight to fire and rain. Knowledge red, teach the heart, heal the brain. Knowledge red, no sell out for chain. Knowledge red, walk good, live clean, stay pure. When the light get long, and the road feels steep, all the wise work strong. Let this soul wake up deep.
Make me tell you, brethren, time now wait. 1 week mind gone slip through the gate. Stone by stone, we build with faith. Slow fire burn, but it burns straight. Life have a lesson in every lane. Joy and sorrow wear the same old chain. If you chase shadow, you dance in vain. But truth stays solid through sun and rain. So lift up your head call. No beg, no favor from vanity. Stand tall, stand tall. Stand in wisdom. Stand in wisdom, yeah. Stand in wisdom. Jah light guide we way. Stand in wisdom. Stand in wisdom, my friend. Stand in wisdom, and your soul can stray. Man a plant seed, never rush the bloom. Every dark room have a way fit tune. Clean heart move like a silver moon. Tears turn gold when you sing it true. Them a chat loud but them words light. Empty mouth full but them mind not bright. Use your own hand, make your future right. Blessings love the ones we fight the fight. So lift up your head now. Hear the drum and the call. No bow to confusion. Stand tall, stand tall. Stand in wisdom. Stand in wisdom, yeah. Stand in wisdom. Jah light guide we way. Stand in wisdom. Stand in wisdom, my friend. Stand in wisdom, and your soul can stray. When the road get crooked, keep your faith firm. Every hard lesson come fi teach and return. No matter how the world try twist and turn, righteous fire now your heart still burn. Stand in wisdom. Stand in wisdom, yeah. Stand in wisdom. Jah light guide we way. Stand in wisdom. Stand in wisdom, my friend. Stand in wisdom, and your soul can stray. Me born with a chain for me name. Them call it faith, me call it shame. But the soul no road from day one. Even in a dark life still a bone. Jah plant a seed in a the rain. Truth no beg, truth just live. Them push back people, mash up hope. Still we a climb on a road. Hear me now, yeah. Now bow to the light. Lift up your chest, look straight in the sky. One little light can broke big night. When people unite, them can hold back the flight. Liberation scroll. Roll it, roll it, roll it. Liberation scroll. Tell the youth them hold it. From the mud to the gold. We now sell we soul. Liberation scroll. Yeah, liberation scroll. See the elder na the corner chair. Eyes like river, full of prayer. Them whole life carry bush and rain. Still them teach how fi break the chain. No rich man and can buy with fire. No mouth can quench righteous desire. If you know your word, stand bold and calm. Even barefoot, still you got arm. Them set trap with sweet mouth talk. Me watch them grin, me read the war. But wisdom a we hidden drum. Beating a chest till justice come.
try feed fear to the mind, but truth still growing a divine. Stone wall talk, but it can't hold flame. Poor man wisdom shine all same. We take the road, we're rough and long, still we chant a better song. So when them pressure start, we no break, we smart. Sacred fire in our chest, we carry forward, we pass the test. Sacred resistance, you know, we bend, but we no bow. Sacred resistance, hear me now. Stand up tall, stand up proud. Sacred resistance, oh, so strong when storm blow. Sacred resistance, one more time. Make we live, make we climb. Mouth full of lie, but feet tell truth. Their footsteps still stand proof. Babylon built on shaky land. One small seed can shift whole plan. Mind as river, heart as drum. Still we move till justice come. No need crown to be a king. One clean voice can wake up spring. So when them pressure start, we no break, we smart. Sacred fire in our chest, we carry forward, we pass the test. Sacred resistance, you know, we bend, but we no bow. Sacred resistance, hear me now. Stand up tall, stand up proud. Sacred resistance, oh, so strong when storm blow. Sacred resistance, one more time. Make we live, make we climb. If you lose, learn why. If you fall, touch sky. Every bruise got a name. Every tear feed the flame. No sell soul for a play. No trade love for hate. We was born to heal the wound and bring light back to the room. Sacred resistance, you know, we bend, but we no bow. Sacred resistance, hear me now. Stand up tall, stand up proud. Sacred resistance, oh, soul strong when storm blow. Sacred resistance, one more time. Make we live, make we climb. Them say truth is light, but I see shadows long. Everywhere I look around, the system playing wrong. Truth in change, oh, it's a crying shame. Them lock it up, but we gon' break the frame. Babylon a build them walls so high to keep the people blind. But a little bird still sings a
fire in the chest. Rebel scripture, can't settle for less. Me read the pain where the poor man cry, and the truth them hide in a Babylon sky. Stone road rough, but me step still firm. Every little scar bring a mighty lesson learned. If you lose your way, come kneel to the sun. Even broken roots still rise and run. Hear me now, brethren, hear me clear. Truth can't dead, it stay right here. When the night get thick and the fear out loud, stand like cedar, tall and proud. Rebel scripture, light the fire. Raise your head, lift your higher. Rebel scripture, soul stand true. Every scar tell what you've been through. Rebel scripture, chant it strong. Join not the weak, join not the wrong. Me see the market, me see the sweat. Woman a balance life on a heavy set. Pick me a dream with them breadfruit eyes, while the big man talk and the profit rise. But wisdom say not about to greed. Water grow crop, love grow seed. If your heart clean, your pocket may thin. Still you richer than the chain them in. But one smile through the stormy glass. Every hard time can't always last. Mind stay sharp, soul stay bright. Take your burden and turn it to light. Rebel scripture, light the fire. Raise your head, lift your higher. Rebel scripture, soul stand true. Every scar tell what you've been through. Rebel scripture, chant it strong. Join of the weak, join of the wrong. No man can own the sunrise. No light can change the eagle eyes. From dust we come, to dust we kneel. But truth in a bone, that one stay real. Me say when you're low, let your spirit chat. When you're knocked down, no stay flat. Turn the page, let the heart take rise. Rebel scripture, inna your eyes. Rebel scripture, light the fire. Raise your head, lift your higher. Rebel scripture, soul stand true. Every scar tell what you've been through. Rebel scripture, chant it strong. Join of the weak, join of the wrong. Rebel scripture, root run deep. Wake the world from a sleeping sleep.
Nine of the morning, me step with calm. Feet on the road, but me heart no harm. Babylon chat, but them word turned out. Wisdom of the fire when me spirit chokes. Me say every broke fence teach a man no build. Every hard little lesson keep the soul well filled. If you lose your way, now panic, now fetch. I put the moon in the sky if you remind you yet, brother. Hold firm, no bow to fear. When the night get long, your name still near. Me hear one voice, clear like drum. Stand up strong, youth, your time will come. Wisdom feature, carry me through the trial and war. Wisdom feature, teach me how to live me star. Wisdom feature, make the weak heart rise up off his stand. Wisdom feature, guide me foot through the burning land. Man brag with a heavy chain. Get peace, can't sleep in him brain. See the little youth with a pure clean eye. Him know more truth than the suit them guy. Life not easy, but it never mean done. Sun still a rise pan a battered one. Me learn to forgive, but me no forget. Me plant good seed where the rain fall yet. One love in a chest, one root in a ground. When When the whole world turns, your word still sound. No need for run, no need for pretend. Truth walk slow, but it never bend. From the keen field dust to the hilltop breeze, Jah teach patience like the old time trees. If you fall 7, rise up 8. Better late with truth than early with 8. Me hands stay humble, me eyes stay bright. Through the roughest cut, me guard the light. Wisdom for Jah, carry me through the trial and war. Wisdom for Jah, teach me how to live me star. Wisdom for Jah, make the weak heart rise up off his stand. Wisdom for Jah, guide me foot through the burning land. Wisdom for Jah, when the road get cold, keep me warm. Wisdom for Jah, Jah wisdom live in every star. Ancient fire burning at the bone, long before the river knew a stone. See the sunrise red over the yard. Tell your heart hold firm, oh Lord. Them say life rough, but me say life real. Every scar a lesson, every wound a seal. Make no man fool you with shine and gloss. True king no run from the heavy cross. Walk with grace through the dust and clay. Even dark night got a break of day. Me no chase vanity, me build from truth. Plant pure seed in the mind of youth. Oh yes, it burn. In the soul it burn. When you're nearly done, still you must return. Ancient fire, burn on, burn on. Ancient fire, carry we home. Ancient fire, burn on, burn on. Ancient fire, make we stand strong. Ancient fire, burn on, burn on. See the man with plenty still feel poor, 'cause him spirit hungry at the door. See the one with not much but him smile, rich in a love, richer all the while. Every mountain come fi teach you climb. Every silence got a voice sometime. If you bend too low, fi please them crowd. You miss your drum, you lose your proud. Make them talk, let them chat, them think. Storm can't stop a lion when him sing. Me eyes stay bright, me foot stay light. Make wisdom guide me through the night. Oh yes, it burn. Inna the soul it burn. When you're nearly done, still you must return. Ancient fire, burn on, burn on. Ancient fire, carry we home. Ancient fire, burn on, burn on. Ancient fire, make we stand strong. Ancient fire, burn on, burn on.
Ancient fire, carry we home. Ancient fire, burn on. Ancient fire, make we stand strong. Ancient fire, burn on. Ancient fire, carry we home. Ancient fire, burn on. Ancient fire, no soul to hold. Ancient fire, make we stand strong.
Me read it in a the scrolls of revolution, written in a sweat and sufferation. Babylon build hype and confusion, but the truth still living at the foundation. If you're not bend them, try break your motion. If you're not sell out them, call your commotion. Still the poor man brain got a holy portion. One clean thought can shift the ocean. Hear me now, brethren, hold your ground firm. Every wound teach wisdom, every fire let it burn. No beg, no mercy, stand on your word. When the weak get silent, the righteous get heard. Scrolls of revolution, Rastaman solution. Rise up from the same old pollution. Scrolls of revolution, straight meditation. Guide me soul, guide me steps, guide me generation. Them plant fear like yam in a dry soil. Want your mind chained up, your life spoil. But I catch a lion cannot love a muzzle. Man free heart still win through the hustle. Missy mama cry, missy little picnic pray. Yet them smile still blooming at the grey. From zinc fence lane to the mountain clay. Wisdom travel where the drum did stay. Hear me now, brethren, hold your crown firm. Every wound teach wisdom, every fire let it burn. No beg, no mercy, stand on your word. When the weak get silent, the righteous get heard. Scrolls of revolution, Rastaman solution. Rise up from the same old pollution. Scrolls of revolution, straight meditation. Guide me soul, guide me steps, guide me generation. If you lose yourself, come reason with the tree. Root deep in the earth, that's where you feel be. No man can chain up a mind we see. Truth moves slow, but it ever set free. So chant it low, make the Dead Sea stir. One small voice can wake a whole frontier. Scrolls of revolution, Rastaman solution. Rise up from the same old pollution. Scrolls of revolution, straight meditation. Guide me soul, guide me steps, guide me generation. Hear me now, little youth, lift your head. Just place a fire inna the bread. Stone inna your hand, but you be like a king. Even broke road can teach bird fi sing. Mama says step soft, but step true. If you know yourself, nobody own you. Whole world try bend your spine, still your heart beat firm like divine line. So walk good, walk strong, no let them fool you long. When the night get rough and long, hold the faith, keep your song. Voice of kings, rise up. Voice of kings, stand up. When you fall, get up. Voice of kings, live up. Voice of kings, stand up. Man can have crown and still be weak. Better clean hands when you touch the peak. Big mouth chat but it all dissolve. Truth move quiet, yet it's all rock in a river, river still reach sea. So are your destiny, let it be. Enough pretty dream turn to dust, but purpose stay when you walk in trust. So walk good, walk strong, no let them fool you long. When the night get rough and long, hold the faith, keep your song. Voice of kings, rise up. Voice of kings, stand up. When you fall, get up. Voice of kings, live up. Voice of kings, stand up. If you never get gold, you're still rich. If you never get praise, you're still lit. Your heart beat loud